welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we will be just recording Roblox. That's it. Okay, we're at a 8% chance. So, let's introduce everyone to the fans. So, all the fans, come over here. Get over here. Or I shoot you. Or I shoot you. There is? Oh, I already know where it is. Follow me. I mean, if we don't die, but oh, found the murderer. Wait, he's just dancing? Oh, found the murderer. Bacon girl? It's bacon. Oh! Oh my gosh, he took like half the server out. We all fell into it. Bro. Will's about to die. Whoa. Ah. George Potter. Alright guys, I will see you all when we get into a new round. Go. Alright guys. We are loading into a new game. Why am I always innocent? Oh god. I think Tristan's murderer. No, I think it's Unicorn Girl. I'm innocent. Alright, no one's gonna find me, guys. I'm just camping. You're stealing all your night. What? Oh. Nothing yet is going on. He's hacking. Alright, guns going off. A little spooked out. I still do not know who the murderer. Oh, looks like Sheriff's down. First person mode. Who is it? Is it Will? Oh no, Will's innocent. Okay, we're all innocent. Oh, found her. Unicorn Girl. Oh, she's not? Again? She's murderer again? Oh, she's sheriff. Yo, whoa, how trying to shoot us? Found the murderer. We found the murderer. It's the black girl. I mean, the one with black hair. Check the... Yeah, she has... I think she has a red headband. Let's go, I made it. No! She's here. Go. No, Will! Yeah, I want to try and get the guy. She's like waiting for you. Alright, boys. Mission save the planet. Let's go. Let's go. Just sitting on her. Let's go. I did it. Chicka boom bam. Alright, move on, boys. Tristan, can I trust you? Tristan, get up. Can I trust you? What? It looks like Tristan was the murderer. Get him! That was the quickest round I've ever freaking had. Oh, she left. No, she left the game. Looks like it's just Skittles. Ooh. I know, right? Free win. No, workplace. Yeah, Yeah, hotel. We'll do Operation Knockout. Ew. What a lovely day at work. What a lovely day at work. Killer on the loose. It says. Wait, watch it. Watch it. Act like we left. He's coming. She has to be a murderer. Is that? It's Tristan. Tristan, I don't trust you. I know. I can see Tristan's face. I can tell. Yep, it's Tristan. It's Tristan. You turned the corner and you killed her. It's Tristan. Tristan betrayed us. Oh, Tristan's busted. I gotta mute that. I don't want to get copyright. Yeah, we know. I told you that like 10 times. Potato salad. Why did I say that? Yeah, what are you doing? No. Okay, he went that way. I muted the music. I can't copyright, even though I like the song. Okay. You know, turn the corner. You stop. Yeah. Other way. Ah! Run! No! Run! No! Kill him! I'm stuck. Oh! No, I'm not! No! Stupid! I called you out already, though. Rage. He's raging up there. Hey. Alright, guys, we're going into a new round. Oh. X. Tristan, I don't trust you, guys. Oh, okay. Yeah, me too. It's not us. It's not us. I think it's Will. It might be Will. I think it's Will. Yep, Will's the murderer. Get Will. No, it's her. Oh, the way. We're done for. Are we dead? Don't lead us to. Oh. Yeah, I will. Is she a camper? Save us, Will. Yes, lead her away from us. No. Yes! Will's our hero. Not really, though. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Hero! Woo! Okay. Okay, guys, over here.
I saved you guys.
Yeah, I know. Wait, Tristan, behind you, the secret area. Look, come here. Go, down. Will's murderer.
No, the sheriff's already dead.
Ah!
That bacon girl is guarding
You guys, go in here, everyone.
Someone picked up the gun.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and the bacon girl's knife. Bacon girl, bacon girl.
Oh, Skittles! It's Skittles! It's Skittles! I think it's the bacon girl Skittles.
This random girl took the gun and then went and hid.
Alright. I jumped.
Dude, we're scared.
I'm just having a good time hanging up on the ceiling. You know? It's not like they're gonna find us, right?
Where are you?
I'm not telling you because you're the murderer.
No, I'm not. The bacon girl.
We still don't trust you.
I don't come here.
Hands up, Will. Hands up if you're not murderer. I want to hear another stab. Oh well. Alright, Will is not the murderer. I just tested.
Why would I lie?
Because he was like, oh.
Think you see me?
Oh no, Will's gonna die.
Where are you? Where are you?
We're hiding in a secret room.
I see my mashi.
I'll go investigate, guys. I'll go investigate.
Show me where you are.
Will, I'm just gonna peek my head out, okay? Will, where are you?
Oh, she can't see me. I'm behind a freaking chair.
Go, go, go! The bird's coming! Bird's coming! Bird's coming! Bird's coming! She's 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 coming!
And I'm going. Where are you?
Secret! No, X died! X, no!
X, what do you mean?
Oh no, you're alive! You're alive!
Man, where are you?
She here?
You fucking.
Okay.
Why didn't you tell me where you were?
Because we didn't know where we were.
You don't know where you are.
We wanted to spectators.
How'd you get up there?
We saw it up there. It's down there. We're in the basement.
I'm watching you.
Yeah, we know. We're in the basement.
How?
There's a secret area. Huh. Make sure pecan or Skittles. Skittles? Honey?
I'm telling you where you are.
Ah!
Basement.
Yeah, but they don't know there's a downstairs basement.
They do. Because they're there.
Well, sure, they take care of it. Well, let's see. Will's calling us out saying we're in the basement. Like, so uncool. So uncool.
I wasn't.
Oh, we won!
Who are you talking to? Just X, right?
X and Tristan. We won.
Playing?
Uh-huh.
Who's name?
Remember, King of Panthers?
I'm gonna friend you, X. I mean,
You guys are already friends.
he didn't friend me back.
Oh. Fortnite. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have not liked and subscribed, please do so. I'll see you all in the next Roblox adventure. Peace!